What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kanina. Welcome back to my channel. Happy hump day. Hey. Let's celebrate the middle of the week. Give yourself a pat on the back. You are almost through. Get away, fly. Get away, fly. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are um, getting your goals accomplished and handling your business and doing everything that you need to be doing to make yourself great. So, okay, y'all. What we're going to talk about today is finding balance, how to juggle work, life, and everything in between. In today's fast paced world, finding balance between work and personal life can be challenging. So, it is essential for maintaining overall health and happiness. So, I'm going to give you some tips on how to juggle work, life, and everything in between to achieve balance. Damn, what was that? I'm trying to like situate everything, y'all, because this mic really like was giving me some hell earlier, so I had to like connect it and get everything together. So anyway, um, the first thing you want to do is prioritize. The first step to achieving balance is to prioritize. So, what is important to you? You prioritize first things first. Make a list of your top priorities in both your personal life and your professional life. This will help you to allocate your time and energy accordingly. Then you want to create a schedule. Create a schedule that balances your work and professional, personal life. This includes setting aside time to work, exercise, family, hobbies, and important activities. You can use a calendar or a planner to keep track of your schedule and make adjustments as needed. And one of the main things that I, you know, um, really thought about was learn to say no. Learning to say no to tasks or commitments that do not align with your priorities is crucial for achieving balance. You learn to say no. Be honest. Be honest with yourself. Be honest with others about what you can realistically take on. You know, if you can't handle it, don't say, okay, yeah, I'll do it just because. So, no, don't do that. Set boundaries. Setting boundaries is important for maintaining balance. This can include setting limits on work hours or creating rules for technology use during personal time. Communicate your boundaries clearly to others and stick to them. You know, make sure that nobody oversteps your boundaries and make sure you don't, you try to adhere to them as well. Um Take care of yourself and physical health. Taking care of your physical health is essential for achieving balance. Make time for exercise, healthy eating, and getting enough sleep. Make sure you get at least 8 hours of sleep. Make sure you exercise, whether it's even just walking around your house or walking around the block or walking around your backyard. It will help you maintain energy and focus throughout the day. Y'all, I I had so much energy the other day. I was like, what the hell happened? I didn't even know what happened, but it was just a really great feeling. So, try to exercise every day, eat healthy, and get enough sleep so that you can maintain energy and focus throughout the day. Practice self care. We know self care is important. Everybody knows that. If you don't know that self care is important, then self care is important. So practice self care because it's important for maintaining mental and emotional health. Make time for activities that make you happy and reduce stress, such as reading, meditating, spending time with loved ones. You have to take care of you before you try to do anything else. Before you try to take care of anyone else, you have to take care of yourself. So, be present. Be present when you are at work. Be present at work. When you're spending time with family or friends, be present with them. Avoid multitasking and focusing your attention on one task at a time. Focus your attention on one task at a time. So be present in the moment in whatever that you're doing. Make yourself aware. Okay, and then ask for help. Asking is not a sign of weakness. You ask for help. It's not a sign of weakness. Reach out to coworkers, friends, or family members for support when you need it. This can help alleviate stress and create time for other activities. So don't feel bad to ask. Like I get that sometimes. I'm like, I don't ask sometimes. I feel like if I have it, I don't need to ask for it. I don't need to if I know what I'm doing, if I know what, I don't need to ask. But sometimes you might need to ask for help. And it's not a sign of weakness. So and don't feel bad about it. And learn to let go. Letting go of perfectionism or the need to control everything. Learn to let go. It can help to create more balance in your life. Learn to delegate tasks or let go of things that are outside of your control. And this is what I've been working on as well. Like I say, like I post these videos not only for you, but as a reminder for myself. So I'm just sharing it with you, I guess. And evaluate and adjust regularly. Achieving balance is an ongoing process. So regularly evaluate your schedule, priorities, and boundaries to ensure that you are maintaining balance. Make adjustments as needed to create a schedule that works for you. So, like, like I was saying, I use my time management sheets to, you know, keep me on track. So I'll like set it. I'll like possibly do it either every week, every month, or possibly I think really every week is when I set it. Because I'll things change, so you want to be able to adapt to everything that's changing around you. So in conclusion, achieving balance between work and personal life is essential for maintaining overall health and happiness. So prioritize your goals. Create a schedule that balances work and personal life. Learn to say no. Set boundaries. Take care of your physical and mental health. Be present. Ask for help. Learn to let go. And regularly evaluate and adjust your approach. By implementing these tips, you can achieve balance and create a fulfilling life that incorporates both work and personal goals. So, this is something that you need in order to find balance in your life. And if this is you, if you are looking for, if you're struggling to how can I find a common ground between all of this, then this is the video for you. So it's your girl Kanina. Thanks for watching. If you got through this video, then you're an awesome dude. You're an awesome chick. Thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cut your notifications on, and oh, don't forget to sign up for the meditation 101s. We're also going to be starting classes as well. So, we're gonna be starting classes for the meditation in the business building one-on-ones. If you guys still if you guys want the business building one-on-ones, the purchase link is down below. And what else is there? Oh, don't forget to check out the behind the scenes on the blog. And everything is going to be linked down below in the description box. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Peace out.